you won't miss them. We'll find ways to simulate that smell. What a sorry fella, rolled up in smoke like a granitella, here on level 1 of robot hell. Gambling's wrong and so is cheating, so is forging phony IOUs. Let's let Lady Luck decide what type of torture's justified. I'm Pit Boss here on level 2.
Give it a rest, will ya?
Hey, you've just thrown me a great idea. We'll use football to teach the cavemen
to get your twangers out and play with your balls.
yeah. Teamwork. All right, man, let's play
With our balls.
Have you seen Bungle's twanger?
Oh, I have, yeah. I showed him how to pluck with it, yeah.
All right, now, if you get to there...
I'm going to rape you! You fucking pussy! I'm working Burger King making flavor Whoppers. I want paper. Would you like an apple pie with that? Would you like an apple pie with that? Don't buffer fries and hot fat and really hurt bad and so the skin grabs. Would you like an apple pie with that? Would you like an apple pie with that?
We're in dinosaur world, Luigi. We can have a Christmas anytime we want.